Tech Trinity. This is Yogesh. Here in this video I'm gonna talk about MiUi. First of all, what is UI? UI is a skin which runs on Android OS, and many Chinese vendors use this UI as their customized UI for their smartphones. Here in this video I'm going to talk about MiUI. MiUI is a customized software skin which is used on the Xiaomi devices. They develop this UI with for better improvements and for better customization and for better use. All the customers who are using MIUI will be more satisfied than other UIs because it is very fluent and very easy to understand. We have many other features so that we can make our usage very simple. And all you know that MIUI 7 is running on all Xiaomi devices, and now MIUI 8, which is current version, is going to launch in India on August 16th. But before that, on July 11th, we are going to have beta version. That is, beta version will have some issues and it is not stable. It will have some bugs like that. But on August 16th, it is going to launch its MIUI 8 officially, which is stable in all Xiaomi devices, and it does not have any bugs, all that stuff. And I'm going to talk about some features that MIUI 8 is going to have, and these features are very interesting. And after watching this video, you will become fan of MIUI. I think so, like that. And the first feature of MIUI 8 is colors. Here, colors are used to express many feelings like that. All you know that. And here MIUI 8 has color features, that is, if I'm opening weather app and weather is cloudy, it shows blue color, blue background, and it is sunny, it shows orange background, it is raining, it shows something light blue or like that stuff. And in calendar app, if I click on calendar app, this month is March and it is going to be hot, like that summer or spring season, it shows light orange color. And it is very sunny month, it shows orange color. And the next feature is that long screenshot. We can take long screenshots. All you know that we can't take long screenshots on all Android devices. We should install another app for third-party app for it, and we should take multiple screenshots and it should link together all the screenshots, and we should make a long screenshot. In MIUI 8, it is very simple. If I want to take a screenshot of a website, which is a long website, and I should click on the screenshot, it takes the screenshot. And if I want to take up to here, I should drag it up to that point and it takes the screenshot of that picture. And by the way, we can crop the picture and directly we can save the picture about what extent we want, not saving up to all the HTTP address and all URL, and we want to edit it by cutting that, by deleting that editing URL or something like that stuff. Directly we can do it in the processing of image only. It is very simple. And if we want to take only that exact point of picture, we can crop up to that and we can take up to that picture only. And the next feature is that it has dual accounts. That is, first, there are two dual features. That is, first feature is we can have dual accounts in one phone. We have seen in PCs like that we have one parent's account or children's account, like business account and personal account. In this phone also, in this MIUI 8 skinned phones also, we can have two accounts. That is, if I set one account, personal account for password 1, it opens the personal account. If I draw the password 1, if I kept business account for password 2, if I draw the password as 2, it opens the business account. Or no file is interchanged or exchanged. All the data files are kept secure. No file is intermixed, or if I open gallery app, so no files is shown from the other account. It is very secure and very easy to use. And the next feature is the dual apps. That is, if I have a WhatsApp account in one phone, I can't use another WhatsApp account in that phone simultaneously. If I want to use two accounts in one WhatsApp, I should install some other third-party apps, and it is very long period and it is not easy. In MIUI 8, it is inbuilt feature, and I can have that feature by clicking on the dual apps. It opens the dual apps and we can select in which app we want to have two accounts in WhatsApp. We want to two accounts means I can click on the WhatsApp and I have personal account or security account or business account or anything stuff. No messages, no conservation is intermixed in the both accounts, and it have clear and simple. And the next feature is the calculator. All you know that basic Android calculators means it will have all the number pad and all that functions, all that. But in this calculator we have a new feature called as, there is no name for this feature, new features, that is convert or conversions are inbuilt in this calculator. That is, if I want to convert $1 into rupees, it updates all the features about the dollar rate and all that. If I click on that $1 to into in rupees, it directly shows that 66.75 according to now, according to current rate of exchange rate. And if I want to convert 10 miles into kilometers, if I type 10 miles into kilometers conversions, it directly shows 16 kilometers. Not if we should multiply it with 10 into 1.6 and finally we get the answer 16 kilometers, not other that stuff. And the next one is quick bolt feature. If we can enable this feature in the MIUI 8 settings, and when we click on the quick bolt, it shows 5 shortcuts, and back feature is already installed and we cannot change it in the future. And if I scroll down the quick bolt down, our application will go back, or we will go to the home page or something. And if I add for any, we can add we can customize any 4 shortcuts, and they are, if I want to open WhatsApp by scrolling from quick ball to in upward direction, we can open WhatsApp account, or in horizontal direction we can open another app like that. It is very interesting feature, and it is very easy to use in 5.5 inch screens or big devices, not like that in 4.7 inch devices like Redmi 2 Prime or like Note 3. In Note 3 it is very handy feature. And the next feature is that video editing. MiUI developers added a new feature, that is video editing with the request of the users. Yes, they have not kept the feedback which got from the users, and they implemented in their works, and they have made it maximum possible. How up to what stretch it is possible, they did it, and they have implemented video editing software in the MIUI 8. Here we can edit basic stuff like all the effects and trimming, also adding sound effects, soundtrack, all that, and it is very easy to use it. And the next feature is that ringtones and themes. Here we have themes features, that in which we have 396 themes. They are developed by the users, not from the MIUI developers. It is developed by the fans, and they are approved by the Xiaomi Xiaomi developers, and they are going to have in our mobiles if we install it. And the themes are very exciting, and if I want a cartoon theme, I can have it. If I want an ideal theme or like that, I can have it. All the themes we can have, any theme we want we can have according to our choice. We can download the theme and we can apply. It is very easy, and that I think many people don't know this. From December 1st, Xiaomi is running a contest, that is theme contest, and it is up to now it is continuing, and no winner is decided in this contest. Or we can upload our themes. If it is nice and variety, they will add that theme into their theme store, and we can install it from there, and we can have likes for that theme and all that stuff. And the next feature is the ringtones. They have added ringtone features to the themes, and this feature is very handy feature. If I wanted a song from a movie as a ringtone, I should click on the ringtones, and it opens I should search that song, and it directly opens it from the Hangama and downloads it, and it sets it as our ringtone. Again, I'm going to say that MIUI 8 should support 3 months of Hangama. I think so. It is not confirmed. And the next feature is that Hindi. That is, in dialer pad, if I open contact app, and from it opens the dialer pad. From the dialer pad only we can have access to Hindi language. That is, if I want a person name like Avinash, I typed it with Avinash in Hindi. It directly opens that name directly in Hindi. It is the first UI to support Hindi language output input in T9 features in India. And next feature is also from caller ID. That is, if I wanted to have a number from Flipkart, sorry, if I'm going to type a number and I'm going to call that person, it directly collects information about the person and it says this person is this. And some spam calls are coming to our phone, and it detects all that spam calls and it says don't leave the phone because this is a spam phone call. And the next feature is similar to this feature, and it is going to work on messaging. It shows the message, it shows all the messages clearly and simplified way. That is, if Flipkart send me an offer message or like that from the Flipkart app, it shows that icon Flipkart and it shows that Flipkart, not like that HD GFD underscore slash all not that like stuff, and clearly specifies it from Flipkart, and icon is displayed on the screen and we can click it and we can see the app. It is a very simple and handy feature. I think they are concentrating on the user experience and they are making very, I think it is a next step to Android, I think so. It is very easy. And the next one is, if I'm going to, if I booked it 2 tickets in Book My Show app and it sent me message to my message app and clicked on it, it directly goes into the calendar and it sets as reminder in the calendar. And if I'm going to watch the movie on 2 days after today, and if I after 2 days morning it will pops up that you are going to watch your movie today in this specific date, and it shows about that information what we got from Book My Show. And the next one is that I think so I have covered all the features. And the next feature is sorry, this is not a feature. So the next feature is gallery. In all the phones we can see that if I open gallery it shows all panorama modes or long screenshots in like square only. But in this new gallery app here, gallery in this MiUI 8, it shows screenshots as long and panoramas as wide, and videos as like square shape, or as we should saved it as 16:9 it shows like wide, and 4:3 it shows square, and like that basic stuff. Here in this MIUI 8 we can customize more and more and more. It is very simple, easy and customizable, and uh, we can have our custom ideas in that. It is very easy. I want to say that MIUI is released on August 16, 2010. Its first version released on that date, and they are going to launch its 8th version on that same date, that is August 16th, 2016 in India, not in already it has released in China. And currently MIUI has 200 million users around the world, and highest share is in India, that is 33% internet activated users are in India, and 25% of MIUI users are spending more amount on online website according to MobiWik. And next feature is that one step to recharge. If a recharge offer came to our mobile, and if I want to recharge from the mobile, I should click on the app message and it directly opens the link. If I click on that link, it directly opens the page what we want to add the amount, and we should add our account number and postpaid or prepaid or settings we should do, and it instantly recharges our mobile. And next one is uh, as I told you, August 16th, stable version is to be uh, launched in India by me, and public beta version is going to launch on 11th July with OTA updates, and we can install it as a developer ROM, and it is some difficult, I think so, because it will have some bugs like that, because it is a developer ROM, not a stable ROM. On 16th we can have the stable ROM and it has no issues. All the UI is set correctly, and we do not experience any bugs. And next feature is that Mi Cloud Sync. Yeah, Mi Cloud Sync. Mi Cloud Sync is a new feature which is very useful, I think so, for space, reducing our space by deleting all that photos and stuff. If I going to update my MiUI from 7 to 8, after updating it directly, if I have 10 GB of images in my mobile, after installing MIUI 8, it directly reduces the file to 1 GB, and the 90% of storage is done in the cloud. That is, all the images are moved into the cloud. Only high resolution previews are there in the mobiles, not the photos. If I want to share the file, I can click it, and if I'm going to share, it will download the file instantly and it will share it, and again it will go to the MIUI cloud. This is the feature only for images. And the next one is, here in this MIUI 8 launch, they also launched Mi Max Phablet. I think so it is a tablet or phone or phablet. What you think it is? That it is coming with a 6.44-inch massive screen and with 1080p resolution, with a 326 pixels per inch density, and with Snapdragon 650 and Snapdragon 652, two variants. And the specs are going to be like this. The first variant is going to launch in India with the price tag 14,999, and it comes with 3 months of Hungama subscription and one year of Hungama subscription for all any music download from the Hungama. And it comes with 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, Snapdragon 650, which is a hexa-core processor based on ARM Cortex A72. The performance core is clocked at 1.8 GHz, with tablet. I think so it is a tablet or phone or phablet. What you think it is? That it is coming with a 6.44-inch massive screen and with 1080p resolution, with a 326 pixels per inch density, and with Snapdragon 650 and Snapdragon 652, two variants. And the specs are going to be like this. The first variant is going to launch in India with the price tag 14,999, and it comes with 3 months of Hungama subscription and one year of Hungama subscription for all any music download from the Hungama. And it comes with 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, Snapdragon 650, which is a hexa-core processor based on ARM Cortex A72. The performance core is clocked at 1.8 GHz, with ARM Cortex A72, and the lower 4 cores are clocked at 1.2 GHz with based on ARM Cortex A53. And other features are going to be, I already said that it has 326 pixel per inch 1080p screen. And other features are, it has IR blaster, 3.5 headphone jack, it is only 7.5 mm thick, it has massive 4850 milliampere batteries, and it has a great long lasting battery life. It is very comfortable for watching videos, gamings, and all that stuff. It is very useful tablet or phablet of what you think, because many people like tablets but they want calling feature. But in this phone we can have a tablet size screen, nearly almost a tablet like screen, with a clear, we can have grip in our hand, not like that wide or like that. It simply fits in our hand for nearly this much size hand. It clearly fits, and it is a very useful device, I think so, big for multimedia lovers and all that stuff. It has fingerprint scanner with 16 megapixel rear facing camera with face detection autofocus, and 5 megapixel camera with for selfies. It comes with beautify mode, and it comes in 3 colors: gray, gold, and silver. All and the next variant is to be priced at 20,000. It comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 128 GB flash storage, and it is going to come with Snapdragon 652. It is a octa-core processor. It's similar to Snapdragon 650, but it has 2 more extra cores, that is A72 high performance cores in this. And it is going to be sold on the open sales from July 6th. After a week it will be, sorry, flash sales. After a week it will be open sale from for many online websites, I think Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm, and all that stuff. And we can have many bonuses for when we buy first 10,000 Mi Max phablets. And it is a decent phone, I think so, because many people many bonuses for when we buy first 10,000 Mi Max phablets, and it is a decent phone, I think so, because many people want a good tablet, but there is no good tablet at this price range and with all specs like this. But this, it has very nice specs, good specs, sorry, excellent specs with excellent performance, Snapdragon 650, a good processor, all we have seen in Redmi Note 3, 1080p screen, it supports all games and it runs all games easily, and we can have all multimedia stuff, it will run easily. Okay guys, let I end this video right now. Okay guys, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for further updates, and please like the button or dislike. Please post your feedback on the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching this video.